It's Danielle with Sisters Under Pressure. I'm doing a video to show you a little bit about the buttons on your Instant Pot and just give you a couple of quick tips. The first thing, after the cooking cycle of any of these functions, whether you're using manual or soup or meat or stew, basically any of them except for the saute and the yogurt function, at the very end of the cycle, it defaults to keep warm while it is releasing the pressure. Now, if for some reason you don't want it to keep warm, what you're going to do is just double press the button. So let's say I use the manual button all of the time. So you can see the light on the keep warm button. If I push that manual button again, that goes out. So as soon as it's done with that 20-minute cooking cycle, including time up to pressure, time down, it's going to just go ahead and completely stop and shut off. So if for some reason you don't want it to keep warm, just make sure that you push your button twice. Kind of cool. The other thing, I get a lot of questions about yogurt and people going, I did my yogurt for 10 hours, 8 hours, whatever the time, and it is still liquid. 9 times out of 10, the issue has been that the temperature was on less and not normal. So the first thing I do when I do my yogurt, and you can check out that recipe on our blog, is I do boil my milk. So obviously I just push the yogurt button. It's not on the boil cycle. So I push the adjust button and it goes to the boil function. When I'm ready to go ahead and actually cook my yogurt, I want to make sure that the temperature is on normal, not less. So I push the yogurt button, and right now it's on normal. If I push adjust, it's going to go to more, which is our boil. And then here I push it again and it's on less. So make sure that if it ends up on that less, you push adjust again, boop, and it goes on the normal. And then you can adjust it to however long you want. A longer incubation time is going to give you more tart yogurt. So I hope this helps. Just 2 quick tips on that. Double pressing your buttons here to get rid of that keep warm if you don't want it to keep warm for some reason. Maybe you just want things, you're cooking things, you're prepping things, you want them to cool down quicker. Maybe you're meal prepping for the week and you're just going to freeze things anyway. That would be a reason to maybe not keep warm. Or if you're going to be home and you're going to eat things as soon as it's done anyway. Totally up to you. Hopefully these tips helped you. Hopefully you can head over to sistersunderpressure.com, check out more of our blogs. If you've got more things you want to see, make sure you leave that in the comments below. Have a beautiful day.